Yo, what's up, guys? Lungani Seth Mnguni, lo mjito Pakistan. So, after endless hours of job seeking and sending out applications, so this is what I normally do. I just normally browse the net and go over these humorous but very sharp candidate jabs. So I've got a list of a top 10 candidate jabs here. So if you guys got time, just mind sharing a good laugh, okay? So here's the first one, the unicorn candidate jab. So just clarify, are you looking for one person or a full service agency disguised as a junior high? Who comes up with this stuff? So the experience paradox. I noticed the role asks for 5+ years of experience for entry level position. Should I have started in primary or is there a workaround? Who comes up with this thing? Okay, so out of curiosity, which of these is an actual priority? Content creation, analytics, strategy, graphic design, video editing, or telepathy? So the culture question with Spice. When you say fast-paced environment, are we talking exciting and dynamic or blink and it's midnight chaotic? Okay. So the expectations reality check. What would success in this role look like in the first 3 months? And how close is that to the job description versus other duties as assigned? Okay, I don't get that one. Okay, the ghosting callback. As someone who's applied for quite a few roles, I have to ask, what usually makes a candidate stand out and enough to actually hear back? Yeah, well, that's a very good question. Because this line they hit us with, that if you don't hear from us after 14 days of the closing date, it's just a vague line. It's just a vague line with no description at all. Okay, the PR irony one. In a field built on communication, what's the best way to follow up without becoming a crisis? Yes, that's another good one. Because you'd send out an email asking the progress of your application, and then they just tell you, you know what, we're gonna get back to you. We've sent it to our requisition or talent acquisition personnel, and they'll get back to you, which never happens. So anyway. So the honest one, but still light. Be honest. What's one thing candidates keep doing wrong in applications that makes you immediately lose interest? I actually think the least you could do for someone after sending applications is just letting them know, look, listen, do this, master here, and I'm sure we will be getting back to you and telling you and giving you feedback as to what went wrong, where you can improve. I think that's you owe an applicant that much, like telling them what went wrong or what you were actually looking for as opposed to what they delivered to you guys. So yeah, let's have that in mind, guys. So yeah, those are just the top 10, top 8 candidate jabs. I find it funny, so this is how I kill my time after job seeking, just to get the lightheartedness of my situation. Cheers, guys. All the best. Peace out. Sauce.